I'm Tim Good and I'll be your narrator for this short video today, and I'm the technical director of Nothing But Padlocks and have been for over 10 years. So in this short video, which we filmed in Germany at one of their centres of excellence for lock making, I wanted to show and demonstrate how every Granit padlock they make is actually quality checked and handmade. We often get asked if any locks are genuinely made in Europe and or handmade any longer, and the answer is very few are. However, some of ABUS's locks, and especially the Granit range, which is their kind of flagship lock, is still made in Germany. And not only do they design and manufacture the locks in Germany, but they also design and manufacture the tools and the machines that make those locks. And they do this, they say, because they can only reach the quality and precision that they require by designing the entire process from start to finish.
These are tools which were all in-house designed and created, and most of the tools, like for example one showing here, if you have a look here, such a tool here will have cost 500-600 hours of engineers' work.
Arguably one of the most important aspects of the Granit locks is the hardened steel used on the body and the shackle. For ABUS this is a closely guarded recipe apparently, and it ensures that they're hard enough to resist the cutting attacks from bolt cutters and saws, but not too hard to be brittle and weak against hammer and pulling attacks.
This machine here is producing all the different holes into the lock body of the Granit padlock. That's the lock body for 70 and 80 millimeter. We have some measuring tools here where we can identify whether the holes are made precisely enough. So this is an instrument to identify whether the precision machined in this instance, in this production step, is precise enough according to the tolerances that are set by our quality management department. So this side of the tool must go in, that side of the tool must not go in. And now we can identify the tolerance we allow by measuring the diameter of the two parts. So this has a diameter of 15.24 millimeters, and the other side, which must not go in, has 15.36. So it's 0.12 millimeter difference. That's the tolerance we allow for this hole, which takes the cylinder housing, which actually is not security relevant. It's only relevant so that the lock actually works well.
Next in the process is the keyway. The Granit locks use a patented ABUS Plus system, which uses discs rather than pins, which most padlocks use. This makes them almost unpickable and very reliable when the lock is cold in frost or when there's grit. And each plus key is coded, which helps prevent them being copied without that unique code card which comes with each lock.
We want to make sure that every box of locks that we are shipping away from here, every shipping carton, every pallet, if it is supposed to be key to differ stock, then it is guaranteed key to differ. And therefore here we have an algorithm creating the key combinations, and the machine produces the keys according to that algorithm on a subsequent basis. It takes the key blanks, cuts the codes, deburrs the keys, puts the key ring around two keys, produces a code card, and then that goes into production to make sure we guarantee key to differ stock.
Now the cylinders are hand assembled according to the algorithm, which ensures the maximum variation of key differs, and then distributing them evenly across countries and counties via their distribution network. This hand-built process also allows the Granit to be made to specific requirements, so master key suites and multiple key-to-like sets. The locks are then constructed by hand using ball bearings to lock the shackle in, and that gives it enormous strength resistance to pulling, which is one of the big requirements for the higher insurance CEN grades. Each is then individually tested, which accounts for the unusually low percentage of returns that we've seen personally for this model over the years. You'll notice how the lock body is now black. This is not paint, but a special type of electrode coating for metal called cataphoretics, which gives a high resistance to atmospheric agents, basically.
The NHถี่series being tested here have been started on the 7th of March by Dennis Grünschlag, a colleague here. One day in this test chamber represents around about 1 year of weather conditions in real life.
There it is, handmade by Dan Willoughby from Nothing But Padlocks. What do you think?
Yeah, just wait for the diddly-dee music.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yes.